When our guide team told us about this sparkling water out in Phang Nga Bay, no one believed it, not even me. I jumped on a boat, I went and saw it for myself, and today we're going to walk you through our bioluminescence tour. Hi guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with the always funny Jay, who
I missed my point.
his
There it
point.
is.
Anyway, today we're talking about the bioluminescence tour.
I went with my family. It was really good. Oh, was that? You didn't want me to say that then? You just wanted to bring that in
You
later.
can say it at any time.
Okay. I took my family on the bioluminescence. It was nice.
Who did you take?
I took my daddy. I took my mummy, and the kids didn't come this time because they're too old and they don't want to hang out with me anymore.
Now, one of the very first things I want to answer. For you is the number one question about bioluminescence is it available every day? Yes. The answer is yes.
Yes!
There are different types of bioluminescence, and we have a whole video about that,
Do we?
which we'll link about in the description.
Will we?
It talks about the white, the blue, and the green.
Wow, we got racist bioluminescence.
But today we're talking about the actual tour, and
Okay.
the tour always starts with you booking.
Hello, you've booked your tour. Thanks for booking. It will be a WhatsApp message or an email, generally a WhatsApp message. It'll go to him, he'll send it to someone, they'll book it for you. Then you'll get a message, and the day before we'll tell you what the weather's doing, and then that day we'll tell you what the weather's doing, and then we'll send a bus to go and pick you up.
Just a small gap.
What?
In the confirmation email will be a request for a 30% deposit.
What? Deposits?
Once you pay the deposit, everything is confirmed. Then the day of your tour, we will pick you up
I
and
said
we'll
that bit.
send you the photo of the band.
Said that bit.
And then once you get there, you're going to meet your wonderful guide who won't
Hi,
be Jay.
I'm Jay, and this is our.
Definitely won't be him.
This is not our map because we can't record in front of the map because it's too windy. Oh, shh! It's not too windy. We just wanted to do it here.
So anyway, this tour generally
Yes.
starts in the afternoon, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30. All of those times are fine.
2:30. That's dentist time.
And
Get
we're
it?
gonna-
No, that's dentist because it's 2:30.
yeah,
2:30.
2:30.
It's kind of a little bit of a racist joke. It's actually Chinese dentist time, and I probably can't.
Yeah.
Probably can't do the. No. Okay, fair enough.
Anyway,
Yes.
so once you've got on the pier, you've met your guide.
Hi, I'm Jay, and you've had some lovely croissants and some toast and some sweeties and a horrible cup of coffee and. Hold on.
Anyway, once the guide has met you and you've gone and had the coffee and all of that, they're going to take you to the map, which we can't go to today because it's too windy
Said
over
that
there.
bit already. You're just repeating stuff I've said.
And
Come on.
what's going to happen
Yes.
is you're going to head on down to the boat, but before you do that, the guide's going to talk to you about some customizations to the tour.
Oh.
Because in bioluminescence, did you know that we can actually go to Kai Island and snorkel first if you would like?
Well, all our tours, and this is a great thing about having a private tour, Shaun, can be customised for you. So we can bespoke the tour for what you want to do.
Bespoke?
Yes, good word.
Yeah, good word.
Thank you very much. Are you bespoking? I'm not sure we're bespoking, are we? We're bespoking your tour. Hey, poke your tour. So, hold on, I haven't finished yet. If, for example, you wanted to go and do the bioluminescence tour, but you didn't want to go and cave through the Panak, or you didn't want to go to wherever and see hidden lagoons, you wanted to have a little snorkel and maybe see some clownfish, we could take you to Pakar, is it called Pakar Island?
Yes.
Where I went the other day. Here's some footage of clownfish. I like it. Did you see the short I did of the clownfish?
Yeah.
Did really well. Thanks.
So anyway,
Yes.
so what I'm going to do is talk to you about the basic program.
Basic program,
of
baby.
The bioluminescence, which
Okay.
you'll adjust on the day with your guide.
Right, let's go.
So you're here on the pier, you've left and you've headed towards Phang Nga Bay, which is north,
That's right.
and it's about 35 minutes to the very first island, which is called Koh Panak.
Which is the largest island in Phang Nga Bay. It has over 11 different caves and a few hidden lagoons. It's very lovely.
And you can walk into the caves,
Some of them.
you canoe into some of the
Some of
caves,
them.
you can swim,
Some of them.
dependent on the tide.
Correct.
All of that you can work out on the day with your guide on board. And don't worry, if you choose to go canoeing, guess what? You don't have to paddle.
That's right. No canoodling for you. We'll get someone to canoodle for you, which is probably not the best thing to say.
Someone will paddle for you.
That's right. Paddle, not canoodling, because that's wrong.
So once we're done at Panak Island, we're going to head on up to Hong Island, where we will get on canoes. And
That's right.
We'll canoe through the Hongs. And guess what? Hong Island is amazing because of its name means something.
Names mean room. And look, if you look up, Sean, what do you see? A heart. Beautiful.
There's a beautiful heart.
And when you take you there, I'm going to a little top tip for the ladies and guys. You want to, take notes of this. If you've got your missus behind you, the tour guide who's paddling will give her a ring. So just be careful.
Yeah.
He does every time. A little ring made out of some.
What are you worried about?
I'm not worried about anything. I ain't got a girlfriend. If you're free and single, give me a shout.
So, anyway,
Is that allowed?
from
Yes.
Hong Island, we're then going to head to somewhere to swim.
Where? Anywhere.
Anywhere. Depending on what the guide chooses for you.
That's
and
right.
what you want. If you want to swim off a beach, we go to a beach. If you want to swim off the boat, we go to the boat. If you want to go and see another hidden lagoon, we can do that.
Yes, we can.
It's a secret. We're not going to tell anyone about that one.
No, it's hidden.
Yes. And then after that, on to Koh Phangan.
Pani, baby, it's a floating village, although it's not floating, it's a lie. It's on stilts. It's a Muslim floating village. It's got great food. It's got a great little market, although the market's getting a bit too big. Hold on. And the highlight of it is this amazing floating football pitch, which was built by the children back in the day out of old fishing floats and stuff. It's had a complete refurb in the last few years. It's very good. You go and kick around with the locals.
Yes.
That's right.
And then after sunset, which is after dinner, we head on back to where we're going to see the bioluminescence. Now, where we see the bioluminescence will change every single night because guess what? The bioluminescence is based on plankton, and that is based on tidal movements as well as current.
Can I say what I've done? Because I've done the bioluminescence about 4, 5, maybe 6 times, and we've done it we've paddled in a canoe around Hong,
Yes.
and then I've been in
Swimming in
I've been
Hong.
swimming in Hong.
You did that in that thing we can't talk about.
We signed for the NBA, so we can't talk about it, and I was splashing it around. I've done it on the beach, so to speak,
Yes.
and I've also done it where I've been swimming in it as well. And my favourite one, which Guide Son took me out on, we actually went into one of the hidden lagoons, into a little cave. We actually did it in the cave, which was amazing.
You bet. That was the one where we took the 2 rib boats to.
No,
To
different
scout?
place. I went into Mangrove Cave when the tide was up, and you can actually walk in there up to your waist, and you stand in there, and it's completely pitch black because you're in the cave, and that was my favourite one.
Okay.
But you can only do certain of these at different tide levels and different times, and that's why we can best poke it for you.
So once you've done that, then
Yes.
you're going to head back to the pier.
To here,
You can expect to get back to the pier somewhere between 8:30 and 9:30. I do say a very long period of time in terms of when you might come back because some of our guests just love the bioluminescence so much
Well
that
said.
they just keep swimming in it and we can't get them out
they're
of the water.
like Nemo, baby.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Oh, that was Dory, wasn't it? Do that bit again. They're just
And
like Dory, baby.
Just a
oh.
note that this is a very particular tour only offered by our company, built by our company, and we're very proud of that.
Yes, well done, Alex.
So anyway, guys, that's it. That's the walkthrough. If you have any questions, comments,
It's a great tour.
subscribe.
Oh, by the way, the tour's so good that you get bioluminescence and you get a James Bond Island and a Phang Nga Island tour in one. So it's like 3 tours in one.
Yes.
It's good, isn't it?
That's
All right,
it, guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Sean. Thanks for watching. I'm still here. Sean's walked off.
Hello.
Hello. Right, just leave the camera on. Honestly, why do Thai delivery drivers have to have holes in their exhaust and stuff? It's like they're boy racers from the 1990s in Essex.